2014 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, fog lights, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tachometer, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, rear window wiper. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.